Hello, everyone. My name is George Steven Evaristo Pomaliwa. I am from Peru. So I am Peruvian. I live in Pucallpa. I'm 70 years old. I am friendly person. I love making new friends. And I'm very supportive. I'm good at math. I'm a good leader. And my passion is helping others. Now, about my preference for food, I love pizza and I like eating chocolate. However, I don't like onions and I hate cooking. I also like drinking fruit juice. For music, I love reggaeton and I like listening to pop music, but I don't like heavy metal and I dislike listening to a loud music. As for activities, I love playing soccer and I like watching movies. I don't like running and I hate waking up early on weekends. I also like riding my bike in the park. I'm really excited to start those new experiences and I hope we can work well together. Thank you.